go like this. If you go like this, you're gonna shut down the whole system. Take about 15 minutes to start back up. Don't go like this unless you wanna fuck up the whole system. You can change the channels like this. You can change the channels like this, but don't go like this or like this because that would mean you were changing the channels. We got about 600 channels, but you can only watch one. The fishing channel, 354. But I wanna watch movies, but you can't watch movies. This is my house. Oh man, I really want to, but you can't. You have to watch the fishing channel, 354, don't forget. I'll try to remember, it's really difficult for me. That's how you put a lock on the volume, and that's how it remembers what kind of volume you want. But you gotta do it with your left hand, because if you do it with your right hand, then you're gonna end up setting a volume for 36 instead of 34, and you really don't want this one, you want this one down here, because that's what's gonna sound really, really good for you. Okay, got it?